What's up everybody, Bass Presidente here. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button, turn on all notifications, give this video a thumbs up. Sorry I haven't been posting in a while, just been kind of busy, fishing actually. But today we're at the stream, got my camera with me, gonna film a video, catch some fish, have some fun, so stay tuned. Fish on. Got us a nice orange belly bluegill. Oh, and he's gone. But that's fish number one for today, baby. Fish on. It's decent. What do we got here? Oh, nice sucker fish. Nice sucker fish. Nice, nice, nice. Whew. Yo, no. Relax, buddy. Let me get the hook out for you. Oh, he's gone. But these things are so slippery. But I was hoping to get a picture of it, but thing slipped out of my hand. I should have used the net for that one. But it's all right, you live and you learn. Let's catch some more fish. That was my fault. I should have netted that thing. All right. I had a hit right there. We almost had him. Oh, and there's a fish. Timed the hook set just right. I saw him come right there and take it. Nice little guy. He almost had him. A lot of these fish are small. There's a nice one. Nice hit right there. It's a nice sucker fish. Nice sucker fish. Nice sucker fish. Get in there. Get in the net. Thank you. Pretty. Honestly, I think that's the same one. But if not, it's definitely, I mean, it's a good size one. I will say that. Make sure I, oh wow, can't inhale this thing. Shut up. Uh-oh, he's bleeding. He ate it good, I will say that. Oh, no. Easy. There you have it. All right, let's let you go. Poor little fellow was bleeding. He had the trout magnet too far in his mouth. False alarm, we were not caught on a rock. We caught a stickfish. Look, personal record stickfish. Actually, it's not. I've caught bigger ones. All right. Stuck on, there we go. Stuck on a rock. All right, guys, not a bad day of fishing today. We're gonna call it a wrap right now. So with that being said, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Took out the trout magnet, my ultralight. It needs a new line, as you can see. Long story about that. But anyway, yeah, I caught a few fish, caught a couple sucker fish, a few bluegill. Overall, we did fairly decent. We obviously didn't have the Hall of Fame type of fishing we had last time, but still, we got out, had a good time, caught some fish. That's what matters. Can't catch them on the couch. So yeah, with that being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.